Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
At the Taco Bell order dropped off, guys. Easy peasy, nothing major. Sit it at the door, take a picture, we out. DoorDash has sent us 2 offers. Scratch that. DoorDash has sent us 3 offers. $11.25, 12.9 miles. That's a no-go. Instant decline. The very next one, not as bad. Still bad. Maybe if you were multi-app and you could make it a good order, but we got 7.25, 5 miles at Taco Bell. You know, 9.25, I would have took it. Even though it's not 2 to 1, 9.25, I would have took it. But the thing is, I know where that drop off is at. It's not a bad drop off, but the thing is, you know, I just need a little bit more when I'm going over that way. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. There's probably a $5 tip on that order, and that's a great tip. That's a great tip. But they 5 miles away, so that means, you know, you're gonna have to drive 5 miles back. Maybe you get a stack and it ends up being better than that. I don't gotta worry about it either way. We got $10, 5.4 miles at Chipotle. Matter of fact, this Chipotle right here, we pulling up. Let me go ahead and mark a route. Grubhub is going off as well. $12.99 for 10 miles. I didn't take it, I declined that one. But if they send me something reasonable, I'll multi-app it with this Chipotle order, because we not on earn by time. But really, I want another banger Spark order. I ain't gonna lie. We stay loading up cars. Seems like it's some more orders out here. DoorDash sent me one on the way over here for Papa John's. Not happening. $5.94 for 4.5 miles. Whenever you see an order with an odd change amount, it don't end in a 0 or a 25 or a 50 cent mark. Whenever you see an order that look like it's a percentage tip, just know that it's not going up no more than that. So $5.94. If it would have been 1 mile, maybe even 2, I would have took it just to keep my wheels rolling, just to stop me from parking the car up here and waiting on the order. But for 4.5 miles, yeah, that's a no-go. And then Grubhub just sent me one too, $9 for 9 miles at Taco Bell. And it ain't even the one I'm buying. Even if it was the one I was buying, I still wouldn't take it. But yeah, we at Walmart now. I'm finna see if I can get me one of these shops. Maybe I get lucky again, get a nice banger. Either way, we just made, in 2 hours, 120 bucks using 3 different apps. And it looked like I got an order coming in right now. $13.25 for, ooh, nope, 10 miles, too far. Good try. But looks like we got one coming in on Spark too. Would you take this order? We got $2, 3.4 miles at Papa John's. I'm gonna have to go ahead and decline that. What's that, 33%? You know what? It could be worse. Looks like sitting at Walmart paid off. $29.11. I forgot to change. 20 items. Let's get this money. I'm finna have this done in 20 minutes tops. DoorDash just sent us $6.50 for 3.3 miles. I took it. Steak and Shake, they got drive-through pickup. It's dropping off on the main road, so I'm be good. If they send me another Fire Spark offer, I'm knocking it out. I feel like it's still some more out here, but multi-app. Grubhub was sending me offers while I was shopping. I couldn't even take none of them because I got to go ahead and get this Spark order dropped off. But 3 apps with 1 grocery. 1 grocery app, 2 food delivery apps. That's the new recipe. That's what it seemed like. There we go. App was glitching on me a little bit, but we got it. 650, 3 miles. Let's see, boom, 650 stays 650. But you know what? I'm cool with it because Grubhub just blessed me. Hold up, turn that down. Grubhub just blessed me, y'all. We heading right back to Steak and Shake. I would pause DoorDash, but I'm not really worried about acceptance rate. Look, $10, 9 miles. Yeah, I would pause them, but I'm not worried about acceptance rate. If it's busy and they send in orders, I want to see what's out there, because if I have to decline it, I will. Like this right here, $10, 9.8 miles. Guess what? Straight to the trash can. I'm at 34%. And again, I don't matter. I don't care, because it don't matter. As long as I'm still able to get my orders here and there sporadically in between my other apps that are providing me better opportunities, then that's all I need DoorDash for. It's just a little filler, just to give me a little $6, $10 for 5 miles, $15.50 for 8.8 miles. This is a 54th Street order. That is a 17-mile round trip. Can't do 17-mile round trip for $15.50. If they would have showed me $20 for 8.8 miles for a food delivery order, I'd do it. And here's why. Because even though that's not 3 to 1 miles money ratio, $20 would cover my round trip miles. I'd be getting 2 to 1 miles money ratio on this 8.8 mile trip. So I can't take this, because if it would have said 20, there would have been a possibility for it to go up. Because really, you want a little bit more when you're driving 8 miles away. You want to be getting 25, 30 bucks really. So if it's showing you 20, there's a chance it can go up to that. Maybe it don't. Maybe it stay 20, but at least there's a chance. At 15.50, there is no chance. With the amount of mileage on that order, it's showing you the full tip amount. That's a little trick right there for you new drivers. Now look at this, $16 even. 9.5 miles, that Smoothie King. That's another decline. Look, if this one was 100% highway, maybe I would consider taking it. But here's the thing. Look, $20. This one needs to be $20 as well. $20 for 9 miles ain't great. But at least if it's $20 9 miles all highway, you can pocket more of the profit. If you driving 9 miles and it ain't highway, you got stop and go. You stopping at stop signs, stop lights, stop intersections. That's coming out of your gas. And that means that's coming out of your earnings. So if you have to drive 10 miles away, try to get at least 20 bucks. And if you can, try to make it a highway order. Try to see if you can take the highway to get those 10 miles done. Because $10.50 for 11.4 miles at Wingstop, no highway, that's not gonna work for me. You see what I'm saying? So even if it was all highway, this 11-mile order would need to be showing me at least 22 face value for me to even consider it. It ain't even giving you half of that. So look, that's another decline, and I don't mind. That's a decline, and I don't mind. We still got Walmart Spark running in the background too. We like a minute away from Steak and Shake. Sir, I'm picking up a Grubhub for Tara K. All right, thank you. And guess what? DoorDash just sent me $6, 2 miles over at Firehouse Subs. So you know I'm about to multi-app that. Firehouse is literally right there. I can see it. It's right there. $6, 2 miles. We grabbing this first, and then we shooting over there. We getting money. We multi-apping, baby. I ain't playing no games tonight.